Hey guys, Anthony back with Cherry Hunt Super Center. I wanted to take a moment and go over this recent arrival 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. So we're working with the 5.3 V8 engine, custom wheels and tires with a lift as far as under 10,000 miles. So this will come with the lifetime powertrain warranty. Let's get a better look inside. So, this is pretty much fully loaded. I could go over all of the technological features and benefits that they come with, but there are just so many. I want to point out a few specific that are my favorite. I mean, we've got a frontline charging pad here. You've got a multiple rear view camera, as well as a holographic sight for the driver as well. You've got some really nice custom stitching that they did with the leather here. Sunroof, heated cool seats, you name it, we got it. Don't forget to ask for Ant when you come down.